I joined Aakash in 9th standard. So I joined early. I gave ANTHE in 8th standard. Pretty much a game-changing moment for me. Now I'm competing all across India.
Hi everyone, welcome, good evening everyone, and welcome to 9th and 10th channel of BYJU'S. Welcome everyone. I hope that all of you are doing good and awesome. Good evening everyone, good evening, welcome to the class. I'm your teacher Ankita and I welcome you in today's class. Yes, so as you can see, it's a Menti quiz and we have all 9th class syllabus. So we'll be having the questions from the chapter, which is fundamental unit of life, and of course the tissues. So get ready everyone for an amazing session, a very quick recap and a very short session. We just have to pick the correct answer. Good evening, I'm good, thank you for asking. I hope that all of you are good. Yes, what you need to do, you need to go on www.menti.com, use the code 56047031. Okay? Thank you so much, Himanshu. Congratulations to you too. Yes, Naga Vaishnavi. We will be starting once this midterm marathon is over. We will be starting with the 9th class and a new chapter for 10th class also. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Congratulations to each one of you. We are a family of 100K. Yes, Anaya, for sure. Yesterday you were there in the session and before that also. Yashika, Anirudh, website name is www.menti.com. Yes, I'm waiting, Simran. Hi, the Incredibles. Thank you so much. Good evening, Muskan. Anushka. Very good, Anant. All the best. Ananya, good evening. Yes, Yashika. Motivation for you. Good evening, Ankit. The code is over here, 56047031. Okay? Hi, Shambhavi. Good evening. Shifa. Lazil. Rajesh. Aryan. I'm so happy. Even I am very happy. Sunil. Shah. Astha. Prakati. Manoj. Honey. Twisha. Thirumugan. Purnima. Yes, Vishwas, Nikita, Aceline. Awesome. Good evening, everyone. Let's start. Let me see how many of you are here. Come on, 94 of you are here. And very few in the Menti class. Come on, quickly, everyone. Quickly join. That's nice. Yashika, Tamanna, Yash, Kaushav. Everyone, those of you who are new here, I would request you to join on Menti. You need to go on a new website, open on a new page, www.menti.com. The code is 56047031. Okay. Congratulations to each one of you for 100K. Let's make it 200K now. Yes? Great. And I was reading your joke, Anirudh. क्या jokes हैं? हाँ? Biologist के पास में जाओगे, blood nickel, be positive. And what was the joke about mushroom and real fungi? Fungi. Okay. Interesting jokes. Awesome. Okay, everyone, let's start, right? And you know the rules of the Menti, right? Yes, so there are 2 chapters in the 9th class. Epic, these are the quiz for the chapter, the fundamental unit of life and tissues. 2 chapters, okay? Fundamental and tissues. Here we go. With the next one, of course, we are talking about the ANTHE examination. And I'm sure you have attended the classes, right? Kriti ma'am did a class today where ma'am discussed about the ANTHE questions, right? That have come all in the past examination. And of course, those questions actually are really very interesting. And of course, they give us a chance to know more about the subject, right? So, what are you waiting for? Register yourself, right? The examination is for the grade 7 to 12th. It's a good examination. It's absolutely free. Please register yourself. More than a trip to NASA, you can actually avail the 100% scholarship for the program. If you want to learn, if you want to pursue JEE or a NEET, there's a programs that we have, right? So you can definitely avail them. Yes. All right, everyone. All right. Let's move ahead and let's wait for our friends over here. Okay, there are 20 questions as you can see. Yes. Hi, Sahaj. Yes. I think you were the one who talking about the examination. Yes. Rajesh, once you register, you need to wait and then we'll start the quiz and then you have to pick the correct answer. Very good, Anaya. Yes, you can revise your concept, definitely. I'm frog, okay. Okay, everyone, so here we are. Those of you are joining now. Shalu, the code is 56047031. If you're joining now, welcome to the class, everyone. My name is Ankita, and this is your own channel of 9th and 10th BYJU'S. Over here, what we do a lot of amazing stuff in terms of clearing your concepts, having sessions that actually make sure that you are learning, right? And in that learning, there's a lot of interesting elements that we always add. So take a moment and subscribe to the channel. We'll have lots of fun and lots of learning here. Yes, okay. So everyone, we are starting. All the best to each one of you. Okay. Crab. So you see, crab is telling everyone. Oh, we have a frog also. Okay, everyone, all the best. Yes. Let's see the question number 1. Question number 1, everyone. All of you, all the best. So this is the assertion and the reason. We have two statements. Some cells like amoeba have changing shape. Reason: unicellular organisms show cell shape changing feature. Now it's a very interesting question. Let me just explain you. We have such questions in today's class. So assertion, there are two statements. We have to read the statement and then we have to understand. We have to find out first whether they are true or false, or the reason is a correct explanation, right? The R is a correct explanation for it. Yes. अथर्व, हिंदी में बोलूं तो बच्चे यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है. द क्वेश्चन वॉज के दो स्टेटमेंट है, उसमें से हमें देखना है कि दोनों स्टेटमेंट सही है या गलत हैं. अगर सही है तो ये जो आर है क्या ये ए स्टेटमेंट की करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है. स्टेटमेंट क्या थे? सम सेल्स लाइक अमीबा हैव चेंजिंग शेप. अमीबा अपनी शेप चेंज करता रहता है. उसका रीजन ये बोल रहे हैं यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म शो सेल शेप चेंजिंग फीचर. ऐसा कहीं भी नहीं है. जो स्टेटमेंट 1 इज डेफिनेटली करेक्ट एंड स्टेटमेंट 2 इज फॉल्स. यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म शो सेल चेंज feature. They don't have. Okay, so here we have, I think many of you got confused with it, but that's the correct answer over here. Yes, I hope that all of you are clear. Yes, Anushka, Shreyasi, Shaharan, Ankur, Purnima. Okay, everyone, question number 2 on your screen. Very good, Anaya. Not every unicellular organism. Yes, okay, question number 2, everyone. Let's see what is the question over here. Question 2 on your screen. Which muscle act involuntarily? Very interesting question, right? So, which of these muscles will act involuntary? Involuntary means not in our control, or we cannot control them. So, we have striated muscle, smooth muscle, cardiac muscle and skeletal muscle, or skeletal muscle and the striated muscle. Interesting question. Come on, everyone. Come on. Involuntary means those muscles which are not in our control, you and I cannot control. Question में ये पूछ रहा है कौन सी muscle act करती है involuntary बिना हमारे control किए. And the correct answer is option B, which has a smooth muscle and the cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle कहाँ पे present है? Cardiac muscle है in a heart, right? And of course smooth muscles are present in our intestine, food pipe and different parts of our body. Very good. 70 of you have voted for the correct answer. 107 of you are here as per this, right? But we have to make sure, come on, don't get confused and go for the correct answer. Yes. 7 is asking for the leaderboard. Bache, leaderboard aayega after every 5 question. Hi Vishwanath, please don't spam hello. Thank you, Anaya, for helping your friend out here. Don't worry, Sahaj. Don't worry. Yes, question number 3, everyone on your screen. Question number 3, all the best. Here we have question number 3 on the screen. Okay, again we have the assertion and the reason. Plasma membrane is present outside the cell, and the reason they are stating is that plasma membrane protect the cell and separate the cell from its external environment. Easy question. Yes, very good everyone. So we are talking about the plasma membrane, right? The plasma membrane, we know that's very important part of the cell. Anirudh, are you sure? Come on. Seems like something is fishy over there. Very good everyone, and the correct answer is option A. Both the statements are correct and the reason is a correct explanation for the first statement. We know that plasma membrane is present outside the animal cell, right? Okay? Or plasma membrane separates the inside of the material of the cell and outside the environment. Very good. We can do a little bit better, right? You all are doing amazing. But I think there are few confusion here and there. Please read the question carefully. Don't worry about the time, right? You need to answer the question correctly. Very good, everyone. How's the Josh in the class, everyone? Yes, be active and vote for the correct answer. Here we have the correct order of the parts of a nerve cell through which the nerve impulse is transmitted is. Over here, I would leave you with the options. Now, just see the two words, right? To answer these questions, look at the two words of each and every option. You will have the answer with you. Yes, look at the first two words. In each and every option, you will have the answer. Sequence वाले question में जहाँ पे भी कुछ track पूछा जाता है, सभी options के starting two words को आप देख लीजिए. You will have the correct answer. Very good. 57 of you have voted for the correct answer. Dendrite, the one that receives the information, goes to the axon, then to the cell body, from dendrite to the cell body, and then to the axon, then to the nerve ending. 26 of you got confused. But cell body ko pehle nahi milti information. Cell body will come secondary. First, we have the information that comes to the dendrite. Are we clear? Are we clear, everyone? Yes, very good, very good. So let's move to the question number 5. After this, we will have the leaderboard. Here we have the leaderboard. Sorry, not the leaderboard, but the question. Okay, again, a very interesting question. Bacterial cell does not contain a definite nucleus. Nuclear membrane is absent in bacterial cell, hence bacteria does not have defined nucleus. We know that bacteria are the prokaryotes, right? They are prokaryotic cells. And prokaryotic cells have a really very interesting thing. Saurabh, what is transmitted? Electrical impulse, bachche. Message pass hota hai from one neuron to the other neuron. Okay? Chemicals ke through. Very, very good. So both the statement are correct and it's a correct explanation. Right? Bacterial cells does not have a defined nucleus. They have a nucleoid, right? Nucleoid. The genetic material is freely suspended, right? And the nuclear membrane is absent in the bacterial cells. Hence, bacteria does not have a definite nucleus. Nuclear membrane hona chahiye, right? Very good. This is for class 9th. This is for class 9th. We are discussing two chapters, the cell chapter and the tissue chapter. Very good, everyone. Now let's see the leaderboard. Very good. I can see so many of you are mentioning 5 out of 5. Very good. Anmol, you have to go on www.menti.com. Menti.com एक website है. Open that and then use the code 56047031. If you have doubt, please write your doubt in the chat. Shri Harian. Mr. Shivansh, please don't spam. Write your doubt. Okay. So we have fastest, who's Aditya, then we have Meenakshi, Shaunak, Muskan, Anushka, then we have Yuvraj, Bhakti, Hansna, Yash and Adyasha. Very good, very good. Very good, Sahej, it will be easy then. Very easy. Synapse is the gap between, the Incredibles, it's a gap between the two neurons. Very good, very good. So 5 questions are done. We have 15 more to go. No issues. The Incredibles. The synapse is the gap between the two neurons. Okay, let's see question number 6. Question number 6, and here we go. Yes, I'm a plant tissue that provides support to climber's plant during climbing. Who am I? Sclerenchyma, parenchyma, collenchyma, aerenchyma. I'm a plant tissue that provides support to the climbers when they climb. Okay, how does the absence of membrane causes the undefined nucleus? So, Haran, we're talking about the nuclear membrane. In eukaryotes, we have the nuclear membrane around. That's why it formed the nucleus. Inside that we have the genetic material. In bacteria, of course, the membrane is absent. Therefore, no defined nucleus. Okay? Very good. Collenchyma is the correct answer, and many of you, 60 of you have voted for the correct answer. Come on, everyone. I hope that all of you are enjoying. A little bit Josh in the class. Jitu, we will have this Thursday. Okay? Very good. Collenchyma is the correct answer. And now moving ahead. Collenchyma is the one that actually help in the climbers. Very good. Question number 7, everyone, on your screen. Let's see. Why not parenchyma? Parenchyma helps in the storage. Right? And of course, two types, chlorochyma and the aerenchyma. Okay, here we have a question. Most of plant tissue are dead due to the sedentary existence of plants. Dead cells provide mechanical strength more easily than the living cells. Okay. Very good, everyone. Ankit, parenchyma are the one that actually help in the photosynthesis and the basically help the plants to float. Two different types. Majorly the storage. Very, very good, everyone. So these questions are there, right? And of course, chances are there that you might get these questions. Bye, Nidishi. Yes. Are we clear? 67 of you have voted for the correct answer. Most plant tissues are dead. ज़्यादातर plant tissues क्या हैं? Dead होते हैं. Especially the permanent tissue that we have, right? Eventually they become dead and they stop dividing. As we move ahead, and they are the one that will be providing the strength to the plants. Okay. Question number 8. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे निकिता, बिल्कुल बच्चे. If you have recently seen the 10th class का paper released by the CBSE, in that the first 20 questions are the MCQs, right? And उसमें से the 4 questions are the assertion and the reason question. Apical meristem and anirudh is a type of meristem, right, which continuously divided and it is present in the growing part, shoot and the root. Okay? Okay. Question number 8, everyone, on your screen. Yes, Anaya, only 20 questions in today's class, which will be covering all the Menti. Stuti, very good. The feature that best describe the cells of parenchyma cells are. The features that describes the cells of parenchyma. What types of cells we will see in the parenchyma? Again, just read the 2 first word of each of these options. You will have the answer. Take your time, take your time. Very good, Nitish. I can see many of you are voting for option number D, and that's absolutely correct. Unfortunately, 35 of you got confused with the option B. Living cell, thin-walled, no intercellular space, but they have lots and lots of intercellular space. Right? They're not tightly packed. They have lots of intercellular space. Everyone, are we clear with this? Say they have a very thin membrane, very thin walls, thin walls are there. Then of course they have lots of intercellular space, right? And they are the living cells. Very good, very good. So 20 and 11 of you, right over here. Those of you who have voted for option A, B and C, I hope that now you got it. Spongy parenchyma has the airs. So Anant, we call them as aerenchyma, right? And they have a lot of air cavity between them. Yes, Milind, you need to go on a new website, which is www.menti.com. Then you have to use the code 56047031. Okay. Here we go to the question number 9. Question number 9, everyone, on your screen. Yes. Here we have question number 9. Okay, name the organelles which match the analogy as the given below. Powerhouse of the cell, storage sac, packaging unit and digestive bags. Yes, now you have to match. Again, quickly go through these, right? You will be able to see. It's a very easy answer. Very good, everyone. And the correct answer is option number C. The first powerhouse of the cell is mitochondria. Storage sac are the vacuoles. Packaging unit are the Golgi apparatus. And the digestive bags are the lysosomes. Yes, very good. मासूम question है. काजू कतली question है. Easy question है. Very, very good. Yes, it's a Kaju Katli question. Super easy question. Okay. Moving to the next question, everyone over here. Very good, very good. Question number 10, everyone on your screen, and let's see this question. If a cell is kept in the hypotonic solution, it swells up. The reason is a cell is kept in a solution with high water concentration, so water enters. What do you think? Both are correct, both are incorrect. What is the reason? Screen अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा बच्चे. Refresh your page. Let me just see. To me, I'm just moving out of the screen. To me it's look fine. The screen is perfectly fine. Yes. Very good, everyone. And the correct answer is 78. So we know that if we keep a cell in a hypotonic solution means if the concentration, the cell has less water as the surrounding, right? And of course it will swells up. What is happening? Because from the outside the water is moving inside. Reason का question है. किशमिश खाते हैं ना हम लोग. किशमिश को हमेशा याद रखेंगे. If you keep the किशमिश पानी में रखेंगे, किशमिश कैसी एकदम श्रिंक्ड है, पर जैसे ही आप उसे पानी में रखेंगे आफ्टर सम टाइम इट विल स्वेल्स अप. एंडोऑस्मोसिस अनंत मींस water is moving inside. Endo means entry, exo means exit. तो एंडोऑस्मोसिस means पानी अंदर जा रहा है, एक्सोऑस्मोसिस means पानी बाहर आ रहा है. Very good. Are we clear? 78 of you have voted for the correct answer. Very good. Okay, the sound goes. And here we have the leaderboard. Thank you so much, Shivanshu. Yes. The fastest over here is the Bhakti, then we have Aditya, Adesha, Shaunak, Music on, Saloni, Yash, Avni, Hasna and Nitika. Very good. Yes, endocytosis. It is related to something which we're eating that amoeba does, engulfing the food. Very good, everyone. Super proud of you. Very, very good. I hope that you're enjoying the session, right? I hope that you can relate to the concept that we have studied. So hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Mesophyll cells are present on the leaves, bache, right? There are two types when we talk about on the leaves per se. We have pellucided mesophyll cells and spongy mesophyll cells. We don't usually see the pellucid cells as mesophyll, but definitely for the spongy cells that are present, we call them as the mesophyll, spongy mesophyll cells. Nucleoplasm, Anand, is a fluid that is present inside the nucleus. Inside, over there, what we have? We have chromosomes, right? Chromatin material, the genetic material. Very, very good, everyone. Okay, 10 questions are done. Yes, 10 questions are done, and let's move to the question number 11. Here we go to question number 11. All the best. Okay, grass stems elongates by the activity of. Grass में अपने आप growth होती रहती है, right? What is the reason behind it? Primary meristem, secondary meristem, intercalary meristem or apical meristem? Creative hub plasmolysis is a process. What happens? Plant cells, when there's loss of water, what happened, the plasma membrane and the cell components in the plants you will see coming at the center. Right, that's the plasmolysis. Plasmolysis, थोड़ी सी plasma membrane basically हट जाती है. It comes in the center. Yes, the correct answer. Okay. I think many of you got confused. Grass में grass stem जो होती है उसमें क्या होता है? Intercalary meristem. ये question we did it in some session. We did this question. कि when a herbivore, right, graze, right, after some time again the grass come. What is the reason behind it? It's the intercalary meristem. Okay, very good. 48 of you got confused with it. Please do not, right? I'm sure you got confused with the growth of it. But when we talk about the grass has the intercalary meristem. Very good. Yes, very, very good. Okay. Vascular in the cork cambium se hai. So, when we talk about the cork cambium, right, it comes with the secondary meristem. Stem ke upar, right, we have the dead cells when we talk about, usko jab aage jo development hota hai, when it's become dead, that's the cork cambium. Vascular cambium, of course, as a word vascular is there, it is related to the xylem and the phloem. Very good. Okay, moving to the question number 12. Here we go, everyone. Here we go to the question number 12. Yes, okay. Information flow, we have information flow in a neuron is unidirectional. Dendrite receives signals from other neuron via specialized interface called synapse. There are two statements, right? And you have to find out. Okay, Anant. Peroxisomes basically are small organelles, small vacuoles, basically small sacs inside which we have the digestive juices or the enzymes. Abhishek, membrane biogenesis is a process by which the plasma membrane will get manufactured with the help of protein and with the help of lipids. Very good. So we know that neuron mein information flows only in one particular direction, that is from dendrite to the cell body, then to the axon and then to the nerve ending. That's one neuron and uske beech mein ek chota sa gap hai, very small gap. That gap is the synapse and after that wahan se information aage jayegi to the next neuron. Very good. 60 of you have voted for the correct answer. Still we can do a little bit better. Nahi bachche, it's perfectly fine. We started on time. अनिरुद्ध, क्योंकि वो आपकी नॉलेज टेस्ट करते हैं. नायक बच्चे, endocytosis is a process by which, of course, various organisms, specifically if we're talking about an example, amoeba engulfs food, right? Endocytosis. Okay? Taking of the food. Basically, just doing like this, engulfing of the food. Okay. Question number 13, everyone, on the screen. And here we go to the question number 13. Match column 1 and column 2 and choose a correct option. Column 1 and column 2 mein hai. Okay, jaldi se quickly match karo. Blood and lymph, bone and cartilage, ligament and tendon and ciliate and cuboidal. Take your time. Yes, please take your time. I think D option को connective tissue कर दो. Very good. 41 of you have voted for the correct answer. Very good, very good. Yes, which of these were correctly matched, right? Yes. Very good. Super proud of you, everyone. Let's move ahead. Tonoplast, right? Tonoplast, bache, the membrane that we have around the vacuole, that's tonoplast. Okay, and here we go to the question number 14. Yes. Very good, UX. Okay. I'm a single membrane cell organelle which is predominantly present in plant cell where it maintains water balance. Who am I? It's just now we have discussed the answer. Just now I said the word. Lysosomes, Golgi apparatus, vacuole or the endoplasmic reticulum. I am a single membrane bound single membrane organelle. So see, Golgi apparatus and ER are definitely out, right? Lysosomes have no connection with water balance. What we are left with the vacuole, right? It has one single membrane, right? And of course, it helps in maintaining the water balance. Very good. Question number 15. I know that all of you are in a little bit of hurry. We are solving this question. Here we have one more. Assertion and reason. A cell will shrink when it experiences hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution leads to raisins swells up. Two concepts are being used over here. A concept of hypertonic solution and the concept of the hypertonic solution. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I can see many of you have joined us just now. Welcome to the class. Hypertonic solution and hypotonic solution. We know that the cell will shrink when we keep it in the hypertonic solution, right? अगर एक सेल है जिसके पास में बहुत सारा पानी है, बाहर पानी कम है, सराउंडिंग में क्या होगा? सेल से पानी बाहर आ जाएगा. That solution is called as hypertonic solution. फिर the second statement is that hypotonic solution leads to raisin swells up. ये भी सही है, but it is not the correct explanation of A. Okay, very good. 42 of you have voted for the correct answer. Those of you who got confused, okay, right, that it's a correct explanation, it's not. There are two different statements. One is talking about the hypertonic solution and the other is hypotonic. So that cannot be the correct reason for it. Are we clear? Are we clear, everyone? Yes, very good. Epic. Like hippo. Yes. Okay. Now we'll have the leaderboard. After question 15, we have the leaderboard. Here we have the leaderboard, and after that we have final 5 questions. Okay, Yash is the fastest. Then we have Aditya, Bhakti, Music on, Shaunak, Sabhyata, we have Anushka, Nitika, PB, Princess, Tanvi. Good evening. Yes. Awesome, everyone. Okay. Next, let's move to the last final question. Half an hour is done, right? We'll just quickly wind this session in more, like 5 more minutes. Very good. Here we have question number 16 on the screen. All the best, everyone. Final 5 questions. I hope you're enjoying. Okay, take your time, match the column 1 and 2 and choose the correct option. So, smooth endoplasmic reticulum match with the what? Then lysosomes, nucleoid, food vacuoles and chromatin, material. So, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, I know. Right, match the first one, lysosomes, I know. Okay, I know the option. Yes, okay, sorry, I was here. Pick the correct answer, everyone. This is a very trickier question. Very good. 71 of you have voted for the correct answer. Very, very good. So we have smooth endoplasmic reticulum, right? That actually helps in the, it produces the lipids, and lipids help in the detoxification. I can't go back, but yeah, that's how the option was. You can take a screenshot and then you will be able to match it. Very good. Now, I'll not be able to go back, but yeah, you know the answers. Okay. 71 of you have voted for the correct answer. A lot of happiness in the chat now. Very good, very good. Question number 17, everyone. Here we go to the question number 17. Animal cell lacking nuclei would also lack in. We are just talking about the nucleus. Chromosome, ribosomes, lysosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. Aryan, detoxification means बच्चे जो टॉक्सिक है हमारी बॉडी में उन्हें क्लियर आउट करना, तो वो काम कौन कर रहे हैं? लिपिड्स करते हैं. ओके, यस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, क्रोमोसोम्स, राइट. अगर एक एनिमल सेल में न्यूक्लियाई नहीं है तो वहां पे क्रोमोसोम्स भी नहीं होंगे, बिकॉज क्रोमोसोम्स आर प्रेजेंट इन दी न्यूक्लियस. वेरी गुड. 66 of you have voted for the correct answer. Super proud of you. Okay. Question number 18, everyone on the screen. Question number 18. Cuboidal tissues कहाँ मिलते हैं? Where we have the secretions. Okay. Here we have the question. The inner lining of the intestine has tall epithelial cells. Reason: columnar epithelial facilitates absorption and the secretion. Yes, it's a very easy question. Very good, everyone. Quickly vote. And the correct answer is option number A, right? The inner lining of our intestine have the epithelial cells. They definitely have. And which type we have? We have the columnar epithelial cells, right? They actually help in the secretion and in the absorption. Yes, villi. Not exactly villi, but yeah, on top of them we have those small finger-like projections. Yes, ciliated columnar epithelium in intestine. Very good, Aryan. Yes, very, very good. Villi actually help in the absorption, right? Cuboidal tissues, bache, though I told you the function, they help in the secretion and other stuff, right? And they are present in the kidney tubules, right? And the respiratory tract. Juhi protects on the small sacs, like, of course, they have the digestive enzymes. Very good. This is from the chapter tissues. Suman, animal tissue. Okay. Moving ahead to the question number 19. Yes, yes. Okay, question number 19 on your screen, everyone. That's good, Anand. Match the column 1, 2 and 3. So we have too much information over here. Multicellular organism, mitochondria, central vacuole and plasma membrane. Okay, look at your time. We have a good amount of time over here. Let me also see the question. It looks fine to me. Yes, please take a moment and see this. Yes. Okay. Multicellular organisms, what they have. Very, very good. Let's see. It's a trickier question. Okay. 39 of you have voted for the correct answer, right? So, right now, if we take a look over here. Yes, got it correct. Wait a minute. Something is wrong. Okay. So we have, wait 1 minute, I have taken a screenshot of this so we can discuss this question. Okay, no, not a full thing it came, but it's okay, right? So it has lots of, it has multicellular organism, it has mitochondria, and basically we just have to match it with all the columns. So option number A is correct. 39 of you got the correct answer. Many of you got a little bit confused over here, I would say. Okay. Question number 20, everyone, the last question we have. And here we go. Parenchyma cells help in storage of food. Parenchyma cells are the main seat of photosynthesis, or the main site. Don't go for the seat, it's the main site of photosynthesis. It's an easy question, right, everyone? Very, very good. So the parenchyma cells help in the storage, right, of the food. Definitely they do that, right? And parenchyma cells are a main site of photosynthesis. See, but over here, if you see now, the reason is not connected. We're talking about the storage, so the next statement should also be explaining something related to the storage. But we know that the next statement, the reason, is talking about the photosynthesis, which is definitely not correct. It's not the correct explanation. Yes, it is correct. The statement is correct, but it's not the correct explanation of the statement A. With this, everyone, we are done with our quiz today. Let's see the final leaderboard. Let's see what we have over here. The correct answer, of course, we have, and the fastest is the ISRA. Then we have music on. We have Bhakti, Aditya, Anushka, Yash, Avni, Shonak, Yuvix and Nitika. Very good. Congratulations to each one of you, everyone. Congratulations to each one of you. Badhiya khele, right? You did your best. अच्छे से करा. थोड़ा बहुत confusion था, but I hope that सबका confusion अब clear हो गया, right? All of you are now aware about the correct answers. अगर अभी भी कहीं भी थोड़ा सा भी doubt है, आज के आज ही टेक्स्ट बुक जाके ओपन करो, पढ़ो. आज ही अगर पढ़ोगे तो क्लियर हो जाएगा. Yes, very nice, very good, very good. Vedant, okay. Henel ANTHE examination, बच्चे आकाश National Talent Hunt examination है that actually help you to pick the careers choices, right? And of course, अगर आपको इंजीनियर बनना है, डॉक्टर बनना है, आपको नहीं पता कि कहाँ से शुरुआत करनी है, so ये एग्जामिनेशन आपकी हेल्प कर सकता है. So definitely you can register yourself. There are times when I do that, very rarely, but yeah. Yes, Naga Vaishnavi, bol diya. Introvert girl, okay ma'am. Music. Okay. With that, everyone, we are done, and you know that we've got you covered. Yes, Roop, absolutely correct. All are winners to us. Yes, 4th rank. Hello, Sunny, Aryan, Naga. Okay, Nitika, bye-bye. Balaji, The Incredibles. Nice. Nancy, Honey. MD Bashir. Bilkul free hai. Gaming with me. End stream. My name is Ankita. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I've enjoyed the session. Mandar. I hope, Sunny, you have enjoyed the session. If you have enjoyed, hit the like button. Sabhyata. Oh, you are Sabhyata. Very good, everyone. So, join the Telegram group. You know that we give the notes. So, notes yahin pe milenge. Session updates bhi yahin pe milenge. So, we'll join that, right? Hit the like button, everyone. Share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Lots of love to each one of you. Have a great day ahead. Lots and lots of love to you. All the best to all of you जिनका कल एग्जाम है या फिर इस हफ्ते एग्जाम है. कल भी मिलेंगे, but we'll have fun. Friday, Bashir, usually teachers come on live on Telegram. Okay? Last week, मैं और ऐश्वर्या मैम live आए थे. This week, some other teacher will come. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye. Lots of love and keep on learning with BYJU'S. Ta-da!